Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful pen stand. So let's start. First, to make this, you will need a 21 cm by 21 cm square sheet. Fold it in half like this. Oops. And then in half like this. Now fold it in half like this. And on the other side. Open it, turn your sheet and do it the same. Like this, in half and then in half. Now you should have squares like this. So now take the end of the sheet and fold it in this box to this corner here like this. Do the same on the all corners. This and then like this and then like this. And now fold it like this and then on the other side like this. Now turn it and then fold it to this line here like this and then on the other side like this. So now you should have something like this. Wait a second. You should just fold it like that. Now take a different colored sheet of 5 cm by 10 cm and then put it inside like this. Like this. And then put these two corners inside here like that and then like that. Just hold it there and then put that in and now push it together like this. Now fold it here in this corner that. There. And now you should make 5 more like this. And now you should paste them together. So take your glue and stick them. That and stick it. Stick that one like that. Put some glue. Stick it. that. that. Stick that. Now put some glue on both the sides, the here and here. Here and then here. Oops. That you just have to push this in. And then, now while this sticks, you will have to trace this bottom part on white cardboard and cut it out. You will also have to do it with a black sheet, and you will have two same ones like this. Also cut out a bigger one. Now take your white cardboard and stick it to the slightly bigger one like this. Some glue. And then stick it on like this. Now take your scissors and cut out the corners here like this. Now fold them like this. Now the sides. Now we'll have to stick them. Some glue. Then stick it. It's not enough glue. Like that. And now take the other black sheet and stick it on top here. Some glue. And now stick it on top like this. Now take your stand and stick it on the bottom here. So put some glue here. And then stick this on top like this. Just turn it out and then stick it like that. Like that. And now we have finished making the pen stand. So I'll just put a few things inside. That. I'll just put this here. You can put any stationeries you want inside like this. It was really easy making this, wasn't it? I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.